Aim of the formulation development is to formulate and manufacture stable pharmaceutical formulation which can deliver the active pharmaceutical ingredient or drug substance at a specific rate and to deliver the API which becomes bioavailable in the body. In simple way, you can say that the aim of formulation development is to formulate the drug substance into suitable formulation so that the API shows its therapeutic activity for the benefit of patient. The formulation development is dependent onto the properties of drug substance. Different APIs or drug substances have different properties, chemical properties, biological properties, physicochemical properties, and based on that, the formulation development is done. Welcome to this video. This video is for lipid-based formulations, and this video will give you the brief introduction for the topic. The need for development of the lipid-based formulations. It is dependent onto the characteristics of the drug substances. If the API is highly soluble, then the formulations like simple tablets, capsules can be prepared. But if the API has problems of solubility, that time different approaches are taken to enhance and improve the solubility and bioavailability. So based on the drug substance properties, these lipid-based formulations are also selected so that these drugs can be formulated and can be made available for the patients. Lipid-based formulations enhance the drug solubility and bioavailability. If you enhance the bioavailability by improving the solubility and dissolution rate, then the exact benefit of the drug substance can be taken, and that benefit will be for the patient for the treatment of disease and disorders. Many formulations can be made to enhance the solubility and bioavailability, and one of them is lipid-based formulations. The examples of these formulations are oil solutions, suspensions, emulsions, SMEDs and SNEDs, and many more. There are some challenges in the drug absorption because of the solubility, permeability, and pre-systemic elimination. So to answer these problems, lipid-based formulations are developed. If the drug has solubility challenge and if you dissolve it or solubilize it, then there are high chances that the drug will get absorbed at a faster rate and at a higher extent so that the bioavailability can be enhanced. If the permeability can be enhanced, then absorption will improve. And if pre-systemic elimination can be decreased, that time also the bioavailability benefit will be there. What are the advantages of lipid-based formulations? First is increase in the solubility. So whenever the drug is having low solubility or if the drug is poorly water soluble, then it can be dissolved in some lipid excipients and then the solubility can be improved. Maintaining the drug solubilization during digestion. Sometimes the drugs get precipitated in the GI and because of that these are not get absorbed. But lipid formulations can help by maintaining the drug in the solubilized state. Lipid digestion forms colloidal structures like micelles and vesicles, aiding the solubilization. Lipid-based formulations can also mitigate the food effect. Lipid formulations stimulate bile and lipase release, reducing the food effect variability. Food may have impact onto the solubility and permeability and precipitation. So, for these type of problems, lipid-based formulations can help to mitigate food effects. Then, increase in the intestinal permeability. Different type of fatty acids can be utilized to increase the permeability. Medium chain fatty acids can facilitate the permeability and absorption by membrane fluidization, that is transcellular uptake, and by opening the tight junctions, that is paracellular uptake or paracellular transport. Then another advantage is targeting the lymphatic transport. Highly lipophilic drugs, which may have a log p value of higher than 5 with good solubility in triglycerides. Presence of long chain fatty acids for lymphatic uptake can be utilized. These are the advantages. Now, what are the excipients for making the lipid formulations or lipid-based drug delivery systems? There are various excipients, and there are uh, used in the different concentrations and combinations. Oils are there, water insoluble surfactants are there, water dispersible surfactants are there, and water soluble surfactants are there. One thing I want to add here, whenever you are developing the lipid based formulations, your aim is not only to dissolve the API in the lipid, but your aim should be to partition it into the water also, because in the GI that lipid formulation will come into the contact with GI fluid which contains the water. So there should be a balance between the lipid solubility and water dispersibility or water solubility of this lipid based system. Otherwise, the drug will only remain in the lipid and it will not get absorbed. So this science should be done uh, very critically, and these are required to be evaluated before finalization of the formulation. Now see the formulation development steps for lipid-based formulations. First of all, once you know the API is not soluble, then you will need to solubilize it. So excipient selection will be there so that you will get the solubilizing capacity from different categories. So choose excipients with high solubilizing capacity from different categories. Then solubility and miscibility screening. Assess the solubility in excipients. Test the miscibility of excipient combinations. The excipient should also be miscible. In vitro lipolysis testing, evaluate the excipient behavior during digestion. Dispersibility testing, check the dispersibility of excipients alone and with API. Final formulation optimization, define formulations, ensuring drug solubilization, miscibility and dispersibility. Many of the times you may need to use combination of oils, combination of water insoluble surfactant, water dispersible surfactant and water soluble surfactants. You will also need some hydrophilic solubilizers like ethanol you can try in some concentration so that you can have the hydrophilic excipient. You can also use PEG or propylene glycol. Like these excipients you can use. In conclusion, lipid-based formulations enhance oral bioavailability and there should be a critical evaluation of the excipients. Formulation design considers emulsification, digestion behavior, absorption route, and the food interactions. Lipid-based excipients are available for a long time and these have defined use limits also, and these are studied for the toxicity. So you can use this data whenever you are developing the formulation. Many of the times the soft gelatin capsules uh, are selected to fill the lipid base formulation system or lipid-based formulations you can try with soft gelatin capsules. I have referred the publicly available information for making this video. Various excipient suppliers, excipient manufacturers can also guide while developing the lipid-based formulations. Thank you for watching the video, and I request you to please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.